Hello friends, I am Sorbh Gupta. I am part of the Bajaj Finserv mutual fund equity team. The month of March has been a roller coaster ride for investors, especially in the mid cap and the small cap categories. The illiquidity scares in some of the mutual fund portfolios after SEBI's action resulted in very sharp correction during the mid of the month. The prices, if you see, have recovered since then. The first week of April has seen actually a very sharp recovery, and some of the stock prices are above their previous highs. Global equities, however, has been on a very good stead, driven by good economic data from across the world. US jobs data, global PMIs all indicate robust global growth. After a long lull, there has been some positive data from China as well, resulted in sharp uptick in the commodity pack, especially the energy prices and the base metal prices. The recent correction in the small and mid cap segments, following some frothy valuations in some pockets, has resulted in cooling off in relative valuation across the different market segments, that is large cap, mid cap and small cap. The valuations in the large cap and the quality mid cap segments are relatively reasonable, making them attractive entry points for investors seeking wealth creation in the long term of investments. Gold's sharp up move is unusual, especially when the US rate cycle is getting pushed ahead, dollar is steady, and there is a global growth across the board. It will require a little more detailed understanding on what gold prices are reacting to, whether it is central bank buying or some risk which is getting priced in. Going ahead, Q4 FY24 earnings, FY25 growth outlook commentaries from the management, general election outcome, US presidential election and global inflation interest rate outlook are the key variables to watch out for in the near term, and this could bring in some volatility in the equity markets. For a long-term investor, near-term volatility becomes an opportunity to create a portfolio of companies with desired quality and fair prices. There are many things like a robust banking system, revival in manufacturing and per capita income reaching an inflection point, which are working very well for India. All these things make next 10 years as India's decade. Investors should invest right and sit tight to reap the benefits of the India story. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.